Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw margin proceeds carefully in TD Ameritrade, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your TD Ameritrade account. Navigate to the My Account tab located at the top of the page. In the drop-down menu, select the Account Management option. Locate and click on Margin Information to review your margin account balance. Ensure you are aware of your margin limits before proceeding. Next, go to the Trade tab at the top of the screen. Select Withdrawals from the drop-down options. Choose Margin Withdrawal from the available withdrawal types. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw from your margin proceeds. Review the available funds to ensure the amount is valid for withdrawal. After confirming the amount, click on Continue. Next, you will need to select your withdrawal method. Choose whether to transfer funds to your bank account or to another account. If transferring to your bank, enter your bank account details as required. Confirm that all provided information is accurate before proceeding. Review all the details on the withdrawal summary page. Once satisfied, click on Submit to process your withdrawal request. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your request has been submitted. Keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding your withdrawal. Monitor your margin account to ensure the funds are available as expected. If you encounter any issues, contact TD Ameritrade customer support for assistance. Congratulations, you have successfully initiated a margin withdrawal in TD Ameritrade. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.